Hello guys, welcome back. Hope you are doing fine. I'm coming back to Phantom that I covered, well, 6 months ago, 5 months ago. Please don't miss this. This is obviously one of the main wallets on Solana. If you're using Solana, you're probably using this one, maybe some other one, but I do recommend doing this one. Very simple, easy. And the airdrop is all but confirmed. This is obviously a huge project. This is #1 app on the App Store. It's #3 in utilities, only surpassed by something like Google Chrome, Google. So this is huge. And imagine, you know, there is no official coin drop announced, but imagine a project that has garnered so much money, 118 millions, top 3 in App Store in iOS, and on top of it on Solana, which is probably the next in line for an ETF. Ethereum just got its own ETF. Now Solana is potentially going to be the next one. Imagine a project that huge not having a coin, where every single small project has a coin. So in my opinion, every single project, no matter small or big, has a coin. So in my opinion, they are working very hard in the background to build the utility for the coin. What that means is obviously to make it popular, make it famous, make it last and grow and build on it for the long term. I'm pretty sure they are working very hard to make it a very interesting, not just, you know, we have a wallet and we're giving you a coin, but also something that will be used extensively in the ecosystem. So all you have to do is download the wallet, obviously, if you haven't done so. If you already have it, then just try to use the next steps that I'm just gonna show you once a week at least, or something like that. Just use the wallet basically. So when you download the wallet, there is obviously a browser version, which is an extension in the browser, or there is a mobile version. So I've got both. Obviously, when you download and you create the wallet, you've got your seed phrase. Write it down on a piece of paper, the same seed phrase you can then type into your mobile. When you restore the wallet, you've got an option to create new one or restore. When you restore, you simply type that seed phrase, those 12 words, and it will give you the same wallet. You can have it on the phone, on the laptop at the same time. Once you have it installed, if you don't have Solana, click on buy Solana, then the amount you want, $100 or something, and you can buy with your debit card. This depends where you live. You have to go through some verification. If you don't have any other way, that is the simplest way to get some Solana. Next step would be just provide some ID or something like that, and you get Solana directly in your wallet. And the first thing you can do with Solana, which is also a great thing on Solana, when you have some Solana like that, you can stake it. So as you can see, there is like a stake. I've got a very small one already, but you can add some more. You just pick any of the validators. This is APY, what you're gonna receive per year, compounded, which is still not bad even with the fees. So you pick one, maybe I've got this one, let's just do this one, and you stake some Solana. The only thing is, when you're unstaking, I think it takes 10 days or something like that to unstake. So just remember that you won't get the money back straight away, but it's quite a safe way, and to earn 7.5% is quite astonishing in today's economy, let's say. So your first step would be to stake, to buy some Solana, stake some everything inside the wallet. You can do it on the phone, on the laptop. Very easy to do this stuff and learn obviously how these things work. And once it's staked, you will see it here. It will disappear from your wallet, but you will see it in your stake. So if you go back, you will see your stakes here, but it will obviously go down from your wallet here. So just remember that. Next step, maybe swap some coins. You can do it every now and then to some other coins if you want to explore the Solana ecosystem, all the crazy stuff that is going around now. The meme coins, the Jupiters, you can buy a little bit of something just to swap and test it out. So I'm just gonna go, I had Myro before, let me just buy this Punky. I've heard about it recently. Not sure how it's gonna go, but let me just buy very small amount just to show you. $1.64, showing you where it's going through. Solana fees are extremely cheap, very nice. And that's it. You are swapping tokens. You can do it daily for some other ones, and then when you go back to your wallet, you will see that token in your wallet, like I have the other ones as well. Very simple, very easy, and obviously helpful a lot to earn some airdrop. Who knows, maybe it's gonna happen this year, and if it happens, it's gonna be obviously probably the biggest airdrop of the year in terms of value. So we have to get as much as possible. So we are here, can go to, oh yeah, this is my NFTs. This is the swap that we did. Here we've got activity, what you did recently, and here as well we've got the quests tab. This one is over and this one is on mobile. So if you go on your mobile, do the same, restore your wallet, you can click on it and you can mint a NFT for yourself for free, and it's gonna obviously help with the airdrop as well. And that's it. This would be in a nutshell, how to use the Phantom wallet, how to get some Solana, how to stake it and do some transactions inside here so you can earn those points. You can do it daily, swap some coins, maybe some of them will be growing in price, who knows. Get into the system because Solana is going to explode this year probably still, especially with ETF and all that stuff coming. So any questions, let me know guys, and thank you for